This is how to make kolatches. The ingredients are ½ pound of margarine, 8 ounces of cream cheese, 2 cups of flour, all-purpose, and 1 can of solo pie filling. To make the dough, take the butter and cream cheese, add to the mixing bowl, add in the flour, and mix. Now at this point you can use a mixer, but I've had limited success with mixers because the resulting dough is very sticky. How do I mix it? Old school. Mix until it's a uniform consistency. At this point the dough is very sticky. This is also a good point to refrigerate the dough, and you can actually let it sit overnight and make the cookies in the morning. To refrigerate, merely cover with saran wrap and place in the fridge. Okay, now it's time to roll out the dough. Before continuing at this stage though, make sure your oven is preheated to 350 degrees. First thing to do, spread some flour out on the board. Flour on the hands helps because, like I said, the dough is very sticky. Take a handful of dough, spread it out some, this way you don't have to roll it out as much. Put it over, forward. You want to roll the dough very thin, and actually I should have taken a bigger piece of dough. But the thickness you roll to is pretty much based on your taste. After you've rolled out the dough, now it's time to cut it into squares. At this point, the size of the squares are approximately 2.5, 3, probably 3 inches square. Use pizza cutter to cut the squares. If you start with a bigger piece of dough, you'll have less waste percentage-wise. Scoop a small amount of pie filling into each piece that's going to be used. The amount that you put on is sort of a judgment call. Make an adjustment after your first batch. So I pick up a piece, fold over one side, fold over the other side, place in the cookie sheet. Fold over one side, fold over the other side, place in the cookie sheet. After the cookie sheet is full, place in the oven, bake for approximately 15 minutes. When the kolatches are ready to come out of the oven, some of them will have a slight browning, but generally speaking, they are not cooked till brown.